Project 944 Part 3. In the last video, I went through all the no-start problems that I had with this car, and the last one was the reference sensors, and once I got those fixed, the car started right up. Now, getting those out of the car was a real pain, but I figured out an easy way to do it, which I'm going to show you. And last video also, my light was very bad, so I couldn't show you exactly where these were, but I got better light this time, and you can see the two, this is working better, there we go, right there, those two plastic similar looking things with the bolts on them. Those are your speed and reference sensor. The actual sensors are the same. They look like this when they're out of the car, and if you can't get them out of the car, a lot of people take that bracket that they mount in off, but then you have to re-gap the sensor, so you need to glue a 0.8 or 0.08, I can't remember, washer to the end. Use your old ones, glue that space to it, put these back in the bracket, tighten the bracket down, remove these, and then put your new ones back in, and that's how you re-gap it. But there's a way to avoid that. To get them out, you take a just standard pair of vice grips, remove the screw from the back, and go down to your local Lowe's or Home Depot and go to your hardware aisle and find the screw size thing they have there. It's a panel with different size holes you can screw this into, find out exactly what your thread type is and the size of your screw. And typically on the same aisle, your hardware aisle, you can get some of this threaded rod. So you get the rod the same thread and width as your nut or your screw on your vice grips. And then I screwed a little nut on the back so I'd have a little backing plate. And then I bought 5 or 6 washers, put some electrical tape around them. And then you take this, oops, put that on the back like such. You have a back plate, and then I got 4 big nuts, put electrical tape around those. Screw that on, or slide that over like that, and then screw this in the back of your vice grip. Then you adjust it down so you can squeeze on the outside of the vice grip, and inside the car you take your hammer and just pop up on it. And I had soaked mine with PB Blaster and WD-40. I tried to pull them out with the vice grips without the hammer. They wouldn't budge. I used this on the second try, second whack, it came right out. Put the new ones in and the car started right up. So if you don't have a set of vice grips, I recommend a pair just to have around the house. They're an excellent tool to have, $10 or $15 for those. And then another $6 or $8 in just basic hardware, and you can make yourself a vice grip slide hammer and get those reference sensors right out.